Looks like you found the edge of the driveway there, huh? Okay. Morning, guys. We are over in Surfside doing a winch out this morning. I kind of suspecting that we won't actually be winching on this one. There's an F-250 that's fallen off the edge of a concrete driveway, and I guess the axle is high centered on the concrete. So unless there's something just real crazy, some of those you can like jack it up and stack blocks and then just drive it out. So we will see what we got here in a minute. Thanks for watching, guys. Wasn't quite getting it, I guess. It's definitely high centered on the, so I can turn my GPS off since I know I'm here. Alright. Grab my flashlight real quick. Morning.
How's it going?
It's going. Dustin. Looks like you found the edge of the driveway there, huh? Yeah. Okay. It's just sitting on the control arm mount. At least they didn't get your bumper or nothing. Let's see. Picture back like this. Alright. Cool. What is... Get back here, I think. Jack up under the tire. Probably do that too. Since there's a gap on the front. I can grab the front frame there, but I'd rather grab the tire. Try that. So, what I'm gonna do, Guardian Angels on. So we can see. Now it's hissing at us. I'm gonna take some of my blocks here. New skates from JRDG Towing Supply. We're gonna make us a road out of blocks, which I've done before in previous videos if you've seen. Grabbed enough. So I'm gonna grab me a couple of these to sit under the jack if I gotta get it off road a little bit. Hoping I have enough room to get under there. need to be up here. Anyways, let me try. Transmission. Come on. Grab this skid plate here. Really rather grab the axle. This thing's in park, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, there's the alarm. It's like, hold on, we're moving. We're not supposed to be moving. All right. So that's up off the concrete now. Probably won't need those, but we'll leave those for the last little bit. How many of these we're gonna need? Got a couple of my smaller blocks here. Something like that, maybe. Grab another one of my ball joint skates. Across there. Might need them other two. Just don't want them to catch and slide out from under the tire and it fall back down again. Let's see, I'm wondering if I can do something like that instead. I think once we get up here, that'll be all right. So my goal here is I never even really have to hook up my winch to it. We can just kind of drive it out under its own power.
Okay.
That way I don't have to tear up your driveway any more than we got to. Would like. Well, that's kind of what I figured. I figured it was probably a little rental house. People tend to get kind of mad. You start tearing up their concrete. So I want to try to minimize that if I can. A little bit more if I can. this block. Needs to be just a little bit higher. We're gonna try it like that. All right. Come on. There we go. Just about off of it. All right. All right. Yeah, we're still good. We go about an inch or two of room here underneath your control arm and the concrete. Okay. So I think if you leave the steering kind of about where it's at for a little bit and just kind of go straight back, I'll spot you. Okay. And we might have to move those blocks around a little bit. So if you would roll that passenger window down, and I'll just kind of, we'll play Jenga as we go. All right, ready? Just reverse nice and easy. You got it in four-wheel drive? I would put it in four-wheel drive. That way it won't spin any. Go ahead. Just nice and easy. All right, hold that 1 second. It kicked the block. All right, nice and easy. Keep going. Back, nice and easy. Little bit of gas. Little bit of gas. Keep going. Keep going. It's moving. It's moving. All right, nice and easy. Nice and easy. Doing good. Perfect. All right, hold that. Let me move a couple blocks from down here. Make a street for it. A couple of these small ones. All right, go ahead and go back. All right, you're coming up on the concrete, so go ahead and turn passenger. And now back up a little bit. All right, you're up on the pavement now. All right. There's that little cut in the concrete there's all. All right, let me get my info here so he can get on to work. Right. All right, man. Should be good to go. Oh, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Sorry for running in the morning.
No, you're good. If I wasn't out here helping you, I'd probably be helping somebody else. So. This was an interesting one. So. Get my stuff picked up here, and I'll be out here in just a minute. Let me get my blocks picked up. Oh, I appreciate it. Thank you. Should be good. Appreciate the help. Appreciate it. Yeah, I get it. I got it. I appreciate it. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
No problem. You have a good rest of your day. Second half of playing Jenga. Sticking all my wood blocks back in here. Really excited about these skates. These are the turtle double wide skates. It's gonna make loading those EVs and stuff like that a whole lot easier. All right. All right, we got that one done. Nice and easy. No additional damage done. We get them out of there without damaging the truck or the driveway any more than we had to. Glad it was no worse than it really was, because that would have been a pain in the butt if for some reason I couldn't jack it up like that, and we'd have to sit there and drag that thing all the way down that little concrete driveway. So anyways, we're gonna get on out of here. It's now a little after 6:30 on a Monday morning, so there's no telling what's gonna come after this. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.